In 1909, residents of Johnstown thought the worst was over. Then the Laurel Run Dam disintegrated. 100 million gallons of water roared down the valley. But it was not just water, it was a wall of black toxic coal sludge. 77 people were erased in minutes. Homes did not just flood, they were crushed under a thick, suffocating paste of minerals and waste. Survivors were found coated in black. The air smelled like wet earth and chemicals. The town was buried under a man-made grave. The worst part, everyone knew the dam would break.